Hi, everybody.
Hi, YouTube people. Hi.
Are you ready to film?
Yes, definitely.
Are you sure?
Yes, okay. Sir. Hi. Hi, YouTube people in YouTube land. How are you doing today? Today, I'm going to make Elvis Presley's, one of his favorite foods, fried peanut butter and banana sandwich.
Are you sure that's his favorite food?
It's one of his favorite ones. I saw his original cook, Mary Jenkins. She made it in 1980s, early 80s on David Letterman show, and she did it on another show too. And she
Are you sure?
showed us how to make it the real cook, not no guessing work. The real cook.
His actual cook.
The actual cook,
okay.
Mary Jenkins.
Okay.
I saw it in the early 80s on TV. I saw her do it 2 times.
Okay.
So, hi, YouTube people. I'm going to make it today.
Are you sure you're going to make it the right way?
I'm going to make it today.
You know what you're doing?
I know what I'm doing. I saw her make it. I studied her while she made it, okay?
Okay.
And I washed my hands.
Are you sure?
Please.
And you use soap and water?
Don't start.
Antibacterial soap and water?
Yes!
Okay.
Oh, my gosh. He liked white bread.
He liked white bread?
And I saw the color it was when she took it out of the toaster.
Yeah.
What do you have it on?
Medium.
It wasn't medium. It was on the other one.
Oh.
Okay, I have it on medium.
Okay.
And put it down.
Is it plugged in? It's not plugged in.
Oh man. Screw me up, man. Jeez. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I need help.
You're wasting time.
I need help.
Alright, hold on.
How do you screw it?
Screw it.
Got it.
What do you mean screw it?
I don't know.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, today I'm going to make...
Just go ahead and...
Okay! No.
Okay.
It was like a golden brown, kind of more in a brown golden side. And that's
Wonder Bread that you're using.
Yeah, it's white bread. I don't know.
Sure exactly.
I don't know what flavor he liked, but it was white bread.
Okay, we're using Wonder.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to be slicing the banana. He liked banana.
That banana's kind of green, isn't it?
Well, it's more yellow than green.
Kind of yellow, yeah. He liked green bananas?
No, he liked yellow bananas. Everybody.
Oh, okay.
She had a yellow banana.
It's kind of yellow, yeah.
Imagine it's a yellow banana.
Well, it's kind of yellow. It's kind of green and yellow, but it's all good.
Yeah, it's Okay, and then she went like this.
Well, hold on. All right, go. Okay.
That's all she did.
Slicing it, yeah.
I saw her. Oh shoot!
And that's the thickness they were slicing it.
Yes, I saw. Okay. I put my nose right up to the TV.
Okay. Slice, slice, slice. Just like that, all the way to the end.
Well, whatever. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste it. A piece fell down there. You gotta pick it up later.
Okay.
Kick it to the side. That's the way to clean your house.
Yeah.
Okay, YouTube people. Yeah. So it's. Oh, and he used a lot of butter. She put a whole stick of butter in.
A whole stick of butter.
She put a whole stick of butter 2 times that I saw her make it. The first time, she put a whole stick of butter.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Okay.
And then she kept flipping it because he wanted the richness of the butter. He wanted the richness of the butter. Yeah, he wanted the richness of the butter.
The only kind of butter I have is unsalted butter. I don't know what kind he used.
Well, I don't know what kind of, she didn't say what kind of butter it was. She just said butter.
But I'm just trying to specify what we're using though.
Well, okay, what difference does it make if you're using a whole stick? At that point, what difference does it make? In my opinion, sorry, Elvis, too much butter, man. Jeez, you like rich food. A guy, you have to say that. A guy is taking a long time. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. He was very generous with Mary Jenkins.
Yeah.
His cook. He bought her cars. He bought her a house.
This is the house that Elvis bought for me. He bought it in 1974. And he came and picked the house out for me. And I liked it, and he liked it. So he said, well, Mary, this is your house, if you like it. I told him I loved it. It was really nice.
He would slip her couple $100 every once in a while, slip it to her.
Yeah.
He loved Mary. She was she was treated like family.
Oh.
Look at, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's the way she had it. I got it going on.
Okay.
Okay, and then I put butter. I mean peanut butter. I mean peanut butter.
Peanut butter, yeah.
Look at this is cameraman's peanut butter. Look, 5 pounds.
Yeah.
I knew he could pull this off with the peanut butter.
That's Skippy peanut butter.
That's Skippy peanut butter.
What kind did Elvis use?
I don't know. She didn't say.
Oh. I thought you knew how to make it.
Well, she said peanut butter. What do you want me to do? Go shake her down and find out? Okay,
So you spread it on?
She spread it on.
Yeah.
And then she did this. He wanted a piece in every bite, I guess.
Yeah, that's a
she
shocker.
lined them up.
Yeah.
She lined them up, line them up, line them up,
yeah.
line them up, line them up, line them up.
Yeah.
There might be some extra pieces, but I can't help that.
Okay.
I'll do it a little bit like that.
Okay.
Like that. That's just exactly like that. Then he put some more.
Some more?
On this side. She put it on both sides, peanut butter on both sides.
Okay.
I saw her do it. I saw her.
Stop moving the bread so much so I can show them what's going on. You're moving it around too much. Okay, just do it.
I'm putting peanut butter
Hold it still, though. Okay.
I put peanut butter on the bread.
Yeah. Stop moving it around so much.
Okay, well, what do you want me to do, Fly? And then she went like this. Boom.
Well, I didn't get to show him because you just...
Okay,
I'll do it again. She went like what?
Oh, just like that. All the way
Just
to
do
that.
it.
Okay. Okay, and then, boom.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, then she fries it in butter.
Yeah.
Oh, I should have had it.
You should have had it going.
Warmed up.
All right. When it's warmed up, we'll come back. Uh-huh.
Well, you're right. It'll probably take a minute, probably.
We'll be back, everybody.
Oh, yeah, I'll be back.
Okay, so it's time, yeah? It's
Yeah.
time.
Hi, you two people.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, it's time to add the butter. I know it's a lot of butter. I can't help it. That's the way
It's a whole stick of butter.
That's the way Mayor Jenkins did it.
Yeah.
Even the host come back and that's a lot of butter.
Are you sure?
That's the way he liked it. He liked it very rich.
Are you sure about that?
I'm positive Mary Jenkins said so.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Okay. A medium.
So the whole stick of butter for one
sandwich.
A whole stick of butter. For one.
She made one sandwich and she put a whole stick of butter in there. I'm telling you.
Are you sure you watched the right show?
I watched 2 shows.
Okay.
One of them was David Letterman. He didn't let her finish it because he was making jokes.
Yeah.
But she did do it with a whole stick. And the other show, I can't remember what it was, but she made it from beginning to end. And I saw the whole thing and I studied it, and that's the way he liked it.
Did you wash your hands when we took a break?
Yes. What?
When we took a break right now, did you wash your hands?
No.
Why?
Well, because I didn't handle it. I don't think I handled it. I put the butter in there.
Oh, okay.
I'm not going to be touching it.
All that butter.
Oh, I got to wash my hands again. Give me a second.
We'll be right back, everybody.
Okay.
Okay, everybody.
Look at all that butter.
You wash your hands good?
Yes, I washed my hands good.
Okay. Look at all that butter.
Look at all that butter.
It's like butter soup, man.
And then to put it in.
Yeah.
And then on the other show, not David Letterman, he didn't let her finish it because he was making too many jokes.
Yeah.
But the other show, she said you got to keep flipping. She kept flipping it. Kept flipping it.
Kept flipping it.
Kept flipping it because he liked it. The butter in there.
Oh, okay.
That's so. I'm sorry, Elvis. Man, oh please. You know, I do eat peanut butter and banana sandwiches. Those are my favorite. But I use 100% whole wheat bread, and I don't fry it. I put 100% whole wheat bread, peanut butter, and a whole banana, and eat it.
You call yourself an Elvis fan? You don't fry it?
I don't
for
fry
yourself?
it. No, I don't think you should fry it. I don't think so.
Well, we're just showing how he does it.
That's the way he liked it.
Yeah. Okay. So you keep flipping. She kept flipping it over.
She kept flipping it, flipping it,
Yeah.
flipping it, flipping it, flipping it.
Okay.
He liked it very rich, very
Yeah.
rich. Yeah.
Apparently.
Oh, by the way, I was assuming that his mother taught him how to make that, or make that for him. It wasn't his mother. Mary Jenkins said that he went on tour, and he came back wanting this.
Yeah.
She didn't know how to make it.
Uh-huh.
She kept making it for him, And he said, no, that's not right. She made it again. No, that's not right. Made it again. No, that's not right.
Yeah.
Finally, she decided toast it. She toasted the bread first and then fried it in butter, lots of butter. And he goes,
Excuse me.
And then he said, now you got it, Mary. Well, it's looking good.
Looks a little burnt.
It's not burnt. You see how the butter's disappearing? It's soaking up in there.
It's soaking up in there.
That's what you liked. Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's about done.
Okay.
Let me go this side a little bit better.
All right. Are you sure that some of this?
Yeah, yes. Elvis Presley would be proud of this.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now it's done.
Okay.
Cut it off and it's still hot.
All right.
Ooh, isn't that interesting? How that came to pass?
Yeah.
He went on tour, and then he came back. I don't know who made it for him. I wonder if he went to Germany or she didn't say. She said he went on tour.
Okay, so we're going to let it cool down and try it out, or what?
Yeah.
All right, everybody. This is how it looks, everybody. You want to show you how it looks.
See?
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
It's all, I mean, it has a lot of butter and it's soaked in the bread, but
Okay.
that's the way Elvis Presley liked it. I can't help it how he liked it. I made it the way he liked it and not the way I think. Sorry, Elvis.
Okay, I got to set it up so I can try it now. All right, everybody. Elvis is back in the building, baby.
Hi, YouTube people. By the way, a nice YouTube person from YouTube land gave this to me
That is nice.
a while back.
That is really nice.
See? He has a stand, too, that he stands up, but I do have to stand. I want to surprise cameraman. Okay. Taste test.
A whole stick of butter?
A whole stick of butter, just, whatever. Yeah, that's the way he liked it. He's watching you. You better like it. You kick your butt. Can you taste the butter?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the way he liked it. She kept flipping it to make sure the butter all went in there. He liked it very rich. That's the way he liked it. I don't recommend that much butter. Sorry, Elvis.
Well, I don't know if I'll eat the whole thing, but it was tasty. I'll give it that. I do like peanut butter.
Oh, really? Is it tasty?
As you can tell from the jar I have, I do like peanut butter.
Oh.
But I don't know if I eat the whole thing. It's very rich, but
yeah.
It does taste good though. It does taste good.
Really? You knew what he liked.
But it's like, I don't know. But see, my butter's unsalted. I don't know what kind you used, Elvis.
Well, I don't know. She didn't say.
But it's good. I would try. I wouldn't know if I eat it every day, but once in a while, maybe once in a while.
Yeah, well, he likes it.
It's good though. It is good.
That's his choice.
That's his choice.
Not mine. Sorry, Elvis. But I mean, it's a lot of butter. Aye.
All right, everybody. Thank you very much.
Okay, stay healthy. Elvis Presley says, stay healthy, stay strong, never give up.
That's not how he would say it. No.
Well, how would he say it?
Stay healthy, baby.
Stay healthy, baby. And never give up.
Yeah.
Stay out like Elvis. And never give up.
Never give up, baby.
And never give up.
Elvis is about to leave the building.
Yeah. Elvis says, stay strong, stay healthy, never give up. Ow!